Hello and assalamu alaikum class 5th. How are you all? So today our next topic is maize in chapter number 7, agriculture and irrigation in Pakistan. So maize is another name for corn. Corn जिसे हम मक्के कहते हैं, maize is the another name for corn. It is a kharif crop that grown in warm place with moderate rainfall. The main maize growing region is in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Maize is mainly used for animal fodder and for producing corn oil. Pakistan produces over 3.5 million tons of maize every year. So maize is only used not that much used for the other purpose. It's just used for only animal fodder. जानवरों के चारे के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है एंड कॉर्न ऑयल प्रोड्यूसन के लिए. And it's grow only in warm place with moderate rainfall. Millet is a hardy cereal which can grow even in poor soil with very little water. So millet is a very hardy mean बहुत सख्त होते हैं जिसे हम बाजरा कहते हैं. If you have ever seen in your house or many year, so बहुत सख्त होता है उसका जो दाना होता है एंड वेरी ग्रो इन वेरी पुअर सॉइल एंड लीड वेरी लिटल अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर. Two important millet crops is jowar and bajra. So jowar and bajra especially used for the bird feed and animal feed and grow mainly in the Tharparkar district of Sindh. So Tharparkar district of Sindh, so the Tharparkar have very little amount of water, but क्योंकि millet doesn't need a high amount of water, so millet can grow very easily in the Tharparkar district. Jowar is grown in many parts of Punjab and Sindh, and millet is used as animal and bird feed as a bajra. Okay, now next pulses. Pulses जिसे हम दालें कहते हैं. So pulses are good source of protein. ग्राम जो है हमारे पास ग्राम चन्ना जिसे हम चन्ना कहते हैं. लेंटिल्स जो कि है हमारे पास मसूर की दाल. Lentils, different types of दाल होते हैं, मसूर, मूंग and mash. So are some important pulses grown here. Pulses grow well in sandy soil that is well drained. So pulses also don't need that much of high quality of water, because especially pulses grow in sandy soil that is well drained. That is well drained mean जो कि इसमें ज़्यादा पानी उसमें ना हो, वो सूखा हो इस तरह से और सैंडी सॉइल हो. Pakistan cultivated different type of oil seeds also, different like groundnuts, cotton seed, rapeseed and mustard oil are oil seeds. So two are linseed. Linseeds are also called in Urdu alsi, and castor seed also castor seed arandi, and sesame seed is til ka tel. So these oil seeds are grown in many areas, but we do not produce enough of our need. So Pakistan have different type of seeds oil, but not that much of oil and not very enough. So edible oil has to be imported for processing as cooking oil and ghee. So different that edible oil khodni tel is used for important use in cooking oil and ghee, but it's imported from different countries. Now different type of cash crops. What is mean of cash crops? Cash crop mean important type of cash crop जो कि पाकिस्तान के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है इन इकोनॉमी. Cotton. So Pakistan is very leading export in cotton. Leading mean मारूफ बहुत ज़्यादा top high level पे है cotton. Cotton likes high temperature and moderate rainfall. So high temperature, cotton need high temperature and moderate rainfall. The main cotton growing areas are southeast Punjab and parts of Sindh. Pakistan produced 11.9 million bales of cotton during 2017 to 18. A bale weight one bale weight is 170 kg. So as well as being an important export product, cotton is also the raw material to about 1000 local ginning factories. Pakistan export raw cotton as well as textile, cotton, cloth, cotton yarn and manufacture clothing to Bangladesh, the European Union, Turkey, Russia, the USA and the Middle East. So cotton crop is very important for Pakistan, and Pakistan produced 11.9 million bales of cotton during 17 to 18. And Pakistan also exported cottons to different countries like European Union, Turkey, Russia, Bangladesh and Middle East. Cotton textile from largest industry in Pakistan, which employs about 40% of the industrial workforce. In 1948, there was 78,000 spindles and 3,000 looms in Pakistan. Spindle is a straight spike made of wood used for spinning of fibers, and looms different clothing machine जिसे हम कड़ी कहते हैं. So today there are about 480 millions and over 13 million spindles and over 9,000 looms producing cotton yarn and cloth. Karachi is the largest cotton textile center, followed by Faisalabad, Hyderabad. In many places there are lower power looms which used to make towels, hosiery mean different undergarments के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है बनाने में, and canvas are produced. Canvas is a heavy fabric used for tent and different pushing of chairs and furnitures. Now next is sugarcane. So after cotton, sugarcane is the most important cash crop of Pakistan. Sugar and gur are made from sugar cane. Sugarcane need high temperature and plenty of water. So the majority sugarcane growing regions is Punjab, Sindh and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Pakistan produced over 83.3 million tons in 2017 to 18. The planting time of sugarcane crop is very important, strictly observed, because late and early planting can reduce the yield of sugarcane. The sugar industry is one of the largest industry in Pakistan, and it is most important source of income and employment for the communities living in sugarcane growing areas. So it's the second top most important cash crop of Pakistan and the largest industry in Pakistan. So it's very important for the income and employment of the community. Tobacco, this is also an important cash crop. The best tobacco growing areas are in Mardan and Peshawar district. Tobacco is also exported. So third पे है tobacco. Tobacco is the different तंबाकू जिसे हम कहते हैं, इसे यूज़ किया जाता है. लाइवस्टॉक जिसे हम मवेशी जिसमें हम पालते हैं. Livestock play an important role in Pakistan agriculture. Although more and more farmers are now using tractor to plow the fields and still used for the and bullocks are still used for the purpose. So क्या है कि हमारे पास nowadays farmers use different advanced technology for the field in their field, but some of the farmers still use the bullocks and different buffaloes for their ploughing. It means that not every farm has a pair of bullocks. It means that not every farm has a pair of bullocks. Traditionally, every farm was expected to have a pair of bullocks. From farm machinery is now used on large farm, but animals are still used on the small farms. So हमारे पास अभी भी कुछ ऐसे फार्म्स हैं स्मॉल एरियाज़ में, वहाँ पर डिफरेंट बुलक्स को यूज़ किया जाता है, बेल वगैरह को यूज़ किया जाता है खेतों में. So Pakistan is one of the world's largest milk producer. In 2017-18, milk production was 57,890 million tons. Two-thirds of this come from buffaloes and rest from the cows. Most of the meat we have eat come from buffaloes, cows and goats. So this is about the different crops and different cash crops in Pakistan. If you have any question class 5th, you can ask in the comment section. I'm always checking your comment, your class. There is no question, no asking. So why ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि आप लोग को सारा कुछ इस तरह एक बार में समझ आ रहा हो. कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स हो जो आप लोग को क्लियर ना हो. सो यू कैन आस्क इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर यू एंड आई एम वेटिंग फॉर योर कमेंट्स. Thank you so much.